This how to 1 minute will show you how to change contact information in cPanel. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under Preferences, you will find Contact Information. So click on that. And now, from here, you can easily change your cPanel email address. You can add here a second email address to receive account notifications and password reset confirmations. And from here, you'll be able to change your cPanel account password. And here you will get a bunch of different options to customize. Then click on Save. And this is how we can change contact information in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.